Hey everyone, this is Mark from Red Arrow Industries, here for another to-the-point tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll explain the media creation settings and how you can use it to change the default for where your media will store to, along with its resolution. This is usually one of the first things I do when starting up a project. That way, it's just one less thing to have to worry about when ingesting footage, creating titles, or even rendering your effects while editing. You can find the media creation window by going over to the settings tab on your project window and then going down to media creation. The first tab that should pop up is drive filtering and indexing. In this tab, you can filter out places that you don't want your media to go. Filter network drives based on resolution removes storage choices that can't support or play back the resolution of the selected media. Filter out system drive removes the space where the operating system is. And finally, filter out launch drive removes the storage where the Avid software is located. If you're editing on an external drive, you may want to make sure that these last two are selected. This will ensure that your media won't try to automatically go to your computer and take up your internal space. On to the next tab, which is capture. Here, you can change the video resolution and video and audio drive defaults for content that you ingest via the capture tool, like tape-based media or a microphone. Once you set these to what you need, you can also click Apply All to have them become the default for the rest of the media. But of course, you can also go through and alter each tab for titles, imports, mixdowns and transcodes, motion effects, and renders. In addition, on the Render tab, you also have the option for it to render same as source, which renders effects using the resolution of the clips used to create it, along with having the option to always save after rendering and change your effects processing and source quality. The Media Type tab simply shows the type of media your project creates. After you're finished with your changes, simply click OK, and then you should be ready to start your project. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about media creation, feel free to comment below. And if you're looking for more of our tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and then you can also check us out on our Facebook page, Red Arrow Industries, or at our website at redarrowindustries.com.